Massive job loss is happening. Here's your exit plan. Like many of you, I felt the tension. Layoffs are happening. We're seeing it across industries, across companies. The meetings feel off. The silences say more than words. And that quiet, nagging question keeps surfacing in the back of your mind. What if my job disappears? Massive job loss isn't coming. It's already here. Entire departments are being cut. AI is replacing people overnight. You know something's shifting. And whether it hits this week or this year, you were asking the right question. What can I do now? Or even better, how do I take back control before someone else makes that decision for me? Let's get honest. Most of us were raised to believe that a good job meant security. But depending on one paycheck, one boss, one company, that's not security. That's risk. This isn't about panic. It's about preparation. Today, I want to walk you through a 3-part exit plan. It's something you can start right now, even while you're still employed. So if your job disappears, your future doesn't disappear with it. Step 1, know your why now. Don't wait until you reforce to act. Ask yourself, why does preparing matter now? Maybe your gut is already warning you. Maybe you're craving freedom. Maybe you were tired of fighting to prove your worth in a system that keeps moving the goalposts. Whatever your reason is, write it down. Your why will be your fuel when things get hard. This isn't about fear. This is about freedom, and freedom requires urgency. Quick reminder, if this message is speaking to you, and you haven't already, go check out Series 1, where we talk about the reset. And Series 2 is ongoing. I'm diving even deeper into real practical steps. You'll find both in the playlist section right here on my channel. Step 2, build a micro-income safety net. Start small. Forget 10K months. Aim for your first $100. You don't need a business. You need a backup engine. What can you offer? Writing? Designing? Coaching? Tutoring? Can you flip items? Assist virtually? Or learn a digital skill with free tools? The point isn't perfection, it's momentum. Just imagine if $200, $500, even $1,000 a month came in, not from your job. That's not just money, that's leverage. Step 3, shift from employee to CEO energy. This one's about identity. Even if you still work 9 to 5, start acting like the CEO of your life. Ask, what do I want to build? What problems can I solve? What skills can I monetize? Block 30 minutes a day to create something that's yours. A brand, a product, a service, a side stream. You don't need to go viral. You just need to be visible. You don't need to be the best. You just need to be useful. This is quiet power, the kind that doesn't wait for permission. It builds options. Let me be clear, this isn't about quitting tomorrow. It's about never being caught off guard again. Because here's the truth. Companies aren't loyal. Economies shift. AI isn't slowing down. But you still have power. You can prepare. You can build. You can pivot. While others wait to be saved, you can take the first step. No one's coming to save us. But the good news is we don't need saving. We need strategy. We need self-trust. We need to stop treating our job as the plan and start treating it as one piece of the plan. You deserve a life that's not held hostage by someone else's budget cuts. You deserve peace, power, and a future you own. If you are looking for tools to help you take that first step, from books to workspace basics to gear that makes learning or creating easier, I've started curating resources in my Amazon storefront mentioned in the description below. No pressure, no hype, just tools that might help you get clear, focused, and moving forward. And finally, if this spoke to you, stay tuned. I'll be posting more content on how to navigate layoffs, build side income, and shift your mindset from fear to freedom. Because you're not just trying to survive this season, you're here to grow through it. You are not powerless. You are not too late. But you are responsible. Start now. Start small. Start building a life you don't have to escape from. If this brought you any kind of clarity or encouragement today, I just ask one thing. Share it with at least 3 people who might need it too. A friend, a coworker, someone quietly going through it. And if you want more videos like this, real talk, practical strategies, and mindset shifts for uncertain times, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. We are building something real here, and I'd love for you to be part of it.